What's up, guys? Today just wanted to talk to you real quick about this TELESIN tripod and selfie stick. I've been doing full-time content creation for about the last 2 years, and this thing is so incredibly helpful. As you can see, it has a GoPro mount on the top, so it's really easy to attach either a GoPro or get some converters and do like an Insta360 or your phone. You can do a lot of different things with it. On the bottom here, you have some little tripod legs which flip out independently. They have a rubberized coating, so when you're actually gripping the unit, you have really good, nice purchase on it. I go snowboarding with this all the time, and it's really handy. But for the tripod, they have a little rubberized piece on the bottom here, which really helps it stick. I put it in the snow a lot. I also put it on top of my converted van quite a bit, and I've never had any issues with the GoPro flying around or doing anything crazy like that. You also get a really decent amount of selfie stick to it. It gives you about, I believe, like 11 or 12 inches of selfie stick. So it gives you just enough to kind of line up a shot, frame yourself, have some different options with it. It's really, really handy. It also has this quick disconnect, so if you want to use your GoPro independently, or I'm sure they sell some different pieces that you can put on top of here, you can use that as well. Really easy to take on and off. But overall, I've been using this for a while now, and it's holding up great. Like, it still looks pretty much brand new. No complaints, and would highly recommend it for content creation or just traveling around if you want to get some cool shots of yourself. As always, you can find an affiliate link in the description below if you want to check this product out yourself.